Oh shit, I'm not mic'd. Okay. Sorry, my bad. It's still rolling, but.
Yeah, it sounds good.
Okay.
You know what time it is? It's Konosuke time. Oh, never a dull moment. And this is definitely not going to be a dull moment because this knife seems to be legendary. I mean, it's amazing to me how many people were sought after. I mean, the moment like people would be like, "Oh my gosh, one's popped up over here. It's in the forums. It's on Burnell Cutlery. It's at Chef Knives to Go. Get it while you can." And I got one, and I'm happy. And I've had people reach out to me personally, like, you got like the last one there is, and I'm like, okay. So what we have for you, the Konosuke Fujiyama line. This one's versatile because they do it in every kind of steel. White 1, white 2, blue. I mean, everyone wants this thing. We have a 240mm white number 2. Apparently, I am stepping on my microphone, in case you heard that. So, nice box. Boom. Classic. Turns out, depending on who you get it from, you get a nice saya. Hello. I wonder always, I'd love to hear from you guys in the comments, like how many of you guys use this thing. Mine stay in the box. It was asked of me, who displays their knives? I'm afraid somebody's going to cut theirs on my knives if I put them out. So, or somebody's going to pick one up, drop it, and break it. So please don't do that to this one. We have from Burnell Cutlery. Boom. It's gorgeous. And you can see it's shiny. It's got that nice packing oil they put it in. So in case you didn't know, they do that because this is reactive. Okay, so you're going to have a cladded white number 2. The cladding is to protect it. I'm going to have to assume that the cladding is an iron cladding. This one could be steel, but sorry, I don't have that feature. I will put the words up underneath when I do a little search after.
Okay.
It's, it just says Japan, man. I mean, it's got beautiful kanji. It's got the gap. I mean, I don't know. It just is pretty. It's a little tall. I like tall. The octagonal handle. Mm-hmm. Let's get that choil shot, that money shot.
Did.
My wife's working hard for you.
I was doing that before you even did
There
that a hot
you
minute
go.
ago.
We're a little bit practiced. Yeah, it's kind of nice. Kind of nice to have one. Makes me happy.
Careful, babe. You're not wearing your apron.
Okay. Let's go ahead and see how sharp this bad boy comes in. Now, you guys are going to be like, there's packing oil on it. Okay, it's not going to hurt the apex that much. I mean, before we get into cutting some stuff over here. I mean, seriously, I'll take the negative 200. Like, 140 is nice. Let's do it again. It's funny, after 3 years of doing this show, 3 years, over 300, is this 309 episodes?
Good grief.
We've heard everything from, if we use the toothpick things that go in here, those aren't best certified. If we do this, how do you know if you did it too tight enough? It's a tool. It's not the standard. I mean, we're just giving you some info here. You guys will just chew me out and everything. We're not trying to cheat. You're not seeing me like strain. Let's test a different part of the knife. Come on. I mean, seriously. Even with the packing oil.
And you bent the paper down.
I mean, butter. What? 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 Hello? Oh my God!
Please be careful. You're wearing no apron.
No, my thoughts though was like,
oh boy. Yep, it worked.
Oh. Let's hear a silent. Let's see if the silence is deafening.
Got one of the dogs excited.
Oh, we got a visitor, maybe?
I don't know. I hear him tap dancing. Hey, but oh, now it's Princess. Wow, not bad. Oh, that was.
This knife makes people happy. Okay.
Hey, pretty girl.
For your excitement.
I'm not eating that tomato either, people. Yeah, there's packing oil on it.
Yeah, you're not eating this tomato.
I'm a little picky. Daddy's having fun, Jose.
I mean, people.
I mean, it's like 0 effort.
People.
Didn't even have to fight for it.
I'm holding this with my fingers. You seeing this? I mean, come on.
Careful flinging. Jeez.
You see the fingertips over here, people? Hi-yo. All right, you know what time it is.
What?
You know what time it is.
It's blueberry time.
Is it blueberry time? Do we go small or big blueberries? We got small blueberries.
Do small, just to make it hard.
Okay.
Well, I mean, you know, it just laughed at the tomato. Josie said blueberries.
We went small. Okay.
You love a blueberry. Like
this is a pretty small blueberry.
Like,
so
like that.
I'm really stacking the odds up against me right now. I got to get it on regular wood, not the shiny part.
It's just a weight.
Oh, yeah, well, I went small.
I know.
What?
Wait.
What?
Oh, yeah.
What?
Where's the flap?
There's a flap right there.
I was trying to get it on the knife.
All right, new blueberry. Come on, people. We're having fun. We haven't had blueberry fun in a while. That was kind of mushy blueberry. I don't know. That's a firm one. I don't know. You guys think it's better to get a mushy one or a firm one? Could be the, oh.
Got to run into the cutting board, dear.
What's that?
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, it's, that's just craziness.
Please be careful.
I like it. Paper tomato. Okay, wow. It did not let us down. My wife is freaking out as I get close to the edge right now. Mm-hmm. That's called love. When you have somebody that cares about you like that, that's actual love. Beautiful knife. It's worth the wait. Grab one when you can. Buy it used. Who knows? I mean, there you go. Well, as we like to say at the end of the show, that was not a dull moment. Thanks for checking in. What? That was awesome. We'll see you Friday nights at 8. God bless.